The nest is right over there, so it's trying to warn me off here. I'm moving, Mama. I'm moving. Doing circles around me here. Good thing they're not like the red-winged blackbirds where they dive bomb you. The water, that waterfall over there, and this one. Whew. Love it. Last night, heck yeah, coming down pretty good. It is beautiful. I love it. Another little beautiful waterfall. I love it. Just, there's so many of them. Keep finding new ones. A little bit of rain. It's a good thing Summer doesn't see it.
Barking her little head on. Want me to show her?
It's walking closer. Sniffing.
Summer, come here. Come here.
No, she's gonna start barking her little head off.
When you're done taping.
We're gonna let Summer out.
Come here.
Yeah. Alright, I gotta go get some breakfast.
Well, show her, show her.
There's a big bass bed. Don't see a fish. Must have already scared it. Another bass bed. There's the bass. There's the bass. There's another bass. Oh, that's a sucker, it looks like. They had a V fin on the back. Another bed. I see a fish on that. Already probably skedaddled. Another bed. Don't see a fish on that. He took off. I believe I've seen the fish go that way. There's another fish bed. Some of these might be gone already, done spawn. But I don't see any fish running, swimming away. There's a bass, smallmouth. Another smallie. Oh, oh, oh. Up and over some logs. Thought we were gonna come to a halt there or something, but we had enough momentum. And the log was slippery and we went right over it.
Come on, guys, hit that subscribe button. Come on, do it. Do it.
Hey, thanks for watching and please hit the subscribe button.